Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will present the result of our project entitled Development and Comparative Analysis of Decision Support System Method for Nutritious Menu Planning to support the Free Nutritious Meal (MBG) program. Before we begin the presentation, please allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Rusur Rabbani and my friends.
My name is Robi Arkana and my NPM is 243, 111 and 37.
My name is Alvandani Hermawan. My NPM 24311151.
In this presentation, we will explain the background of the study, the method of use, the calculation process, the analysis result, and the conclusion obtained from our results. And the next presentation will be developed by my colleague.
Introduction. In this research, we focus on the Free Nutrition Meal Program or MBG, which aim to improve student nutritional intake to support their health, growth, and learning concentration. When designing MBG menus, several factors must be considered simultaneously, including nutrition value, cost, ingredient availability, menu variety, and student acceptance of the meals. Because multiple criteria are involved, the menu selection process becomes more complex. Therefore, a decision support system based on multi-criteria decision making or MCDM is needed. This study applies two methods, namely SAW or Simple Additive Weighting and TOPSIS or Technique Q for order preference based similarity to ideal solution to determine the best menu that is nutrition, cost effective, and suitable for student needs. Next, decision metric. The first method used in this study is SAW, which stands for Simple Additive Weighting. The SAW method was applied to 8 alternative meal menus that could be recommended for the MBG program. Each alternative was evaluated based on 7 criteria: calories, protein, fiber, cost, ingredient availability, student acceptance, and menu variety. The table on this slide presents the decision metric, which contain the value of each alternative for all criteria and serve as the basic for the SAW calculation process. Next, normalization process. The next step in the SAW method is the normalization process. The purpose of normalization is to standardize the scale of each criterion so that all alternatives can be compared fairly. For benefit criteria, the normalization formula is the value of an alternative divided by the maximum value of that criterion. For cost criteria, the formula is the minimum value divided by the value of the alternative. For example, for alternative A1, the normalization value are 1.00 for calories, 0.94 for protein, 0.78 for fiber, 0.73 for cost, and 1.00 for ingredient availability, student acceptance, and menu variety.
Okay, next, after the normalization process is completed, the next step is weighted scoring. Weighting is applied because each criterion has different level of importance in determining the best menu alternative. In this study, protein is assigned the highest weight of 0.20 because it plays a crucial role in supporting student growth and development. Calories and costs are each assigned a weight of 0.18 calories are important for meeting student daily energy needs, while cost is considered to ensure that the MBG program remains economically efficient. Fiber and student accepts are give weight of 0.20 while ingredient available the menu variety are each assigned a weight of 0.10. The final preference score is calculated by multiplying each normalization value by its corresponding weight and the summing of all the results. For example, alternative A1 obtain a preference score of 0.91. In the Shaw method, a higher preference score indicates a better alternative. Next is ranking the result. After all alternatives have been evaluated, the ranking results are obtained using the Shaw method. Based on the calculation result, alternative A1 achieved the highest score of 0.91, making it the best menu alternative according to the Shaw method. This result is indicate that A1 has the most balanced combination of nutritional value, cost efficiency, ingredient availability, and student absence and menu variety. The second rank is occupied by A6 with score of 0.88, followed by A7 with a score of 0.87. On the other hand, A5 reached the lowest score of 0.18 and was placed in the last position. Overall, the ranking result demonstrate the Shaw method is capable of identifying the most suitable menu alternative by considering all evaluation criteria stimulously. Next is method 2, implementation, TOPSIS. In addition to Shaw method, this study also used TOPSIS as a comparative decision-making method. TOPSIS, which stands for Technique for Order Preference by Similarity of Ideal Solution, is based on concept of an ideal solution. According to this method, the best alternative is the one is the closest to the positive ideal solution and furthest from negative ideal solution. Unlike Shaw, which focus on weighting summation, TOPSIS evaluate alternatively by measuring unlike Shaw, which focus on weighting summating, TOPSIS evaluate alternative by measuring their relative distance from the best and the worst possible condition. The advantage of TOPSIS is its ability to provide it consider both desirable and undesirable outcomes simultaneously. For the reason TOPSIS is widely used in multiple criteria decision-making problem and serve as an effective comparison method in this study.
TOPSIS decision matrix. At the TOPSIS stage, the sum decision matrix, as in the SAW method, is applied. This approach ensures that the comparison between the two methods is objective and fair because both methods as essential alternative and evaluation criteria. The dataset consists of the 8 menu alternative and 7 evaluation criteria, namely calories, protein, fiber, cost, ingredients, availability, student acceptance, and menu variety. After the decision matrix is established, the data are normalized and weighted according to the importance of each criterion. The next step is to determine the positive ideal solution and the negative ideal solution, which serve as the reference point for identifying the best alternative. Ranking result top 6. After completing all top 6, calculation stage the ranking result of the menu alternative were obtained. The first rank we achieved by alternative A1, which updating the highest preference value. The result indicate that A1 is the menu alternative that is closest to the positive ideal solution and farthest from the negative ideal solution. The second rank was achieved by alternative A6 followed by alternative A7 in third place. The fourth positive was updating by alternative A2, while alternative A4 was ranked 5. Alternative A3 was placed in 6th position, followed by alternative A8 in 7th position. Finally, alternative A5 received the lesser preference value and was ranked 8. Overall, the ranking result produced by the top 6 method are relatively consistent with the result obtained from the SAOE method. This consistency shows that both methods identify similar alternatives as the most suitable menu for the free nutritious meal program. Based on the result, alternative A1 can be considered the most recommended menu because it provided the best balance among nutritional value, cost efficiency, ingredients availability, student acceptance, and menu variety. Conclusion. Based on the result of this study, both SAOE and TOP6 methods were successfully implemented to determine the best menu for the Free Nutrition Meal Program (MBG). The two methods produce relatively consistent ranking result, with alternative A1 consistency rice, fried chicken, spinach, and banana achieving the high rank in both methods. This result indicates that A1 provides the most balanced combination of nutritional value, cost efficiency, ingredients availability, and student acceptance among all alternatives. Nevertheless, TOP6 is considered more effective because it evaluates alternatives based on three closeness to the positive ideal solution and three distance from the negative ideal solution. In addition, TOP6 is more sensitive to change in criterions, which and is better able to represent real-world decision-making conditions. Therefore, TOP6 is recommended as the more sustainable method for supporting nutrition menu planning in the MBG program. Okay, that's all with presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.